Hey everyone, it's Sandy Rogers, and this is my favorite spot in the world is being outside. And today I actually was inside and worked for someone, so a little bit out of my normal routine, but it was good. I enjoyed it, learned some new skills, and it was absolutely incredible. And I went to the chiropractor first thing this morning and got my weekly adjustment. That's part of my self care routine. And so incorporate some different modalities into your routine, your weekly or daily routine that gives you time to just be with you, to love on you. And so I choose to do the chiropractic adjustments and have them to work on my back as my self-care regimen for the week. And during the week, I make sure I get enough rest and, you know, commune with nature and socialize with friends. Nothing really spectacular today. Just a nice, full of energy day. Like I said, I actually worked for someone else um, at their uh, cafe, and so I was taking orders and helping to organize the owners. So that's about it. I'm listening to the birds in the background. They sound so beautiful. Um, I actually trying to think of what all. It was kind of an uneventful day with regards to the urine fast. My energy is still very high. Um, I could not drink all that I released today because of the chiropractic appointment and then working over at the bistro. So um, it's been a good day though. It's been an excellent day. And hopefully I'll have more information for you tomorrow on something exciting. But I believe this is day 17. It's either 17 or 18. And I apologize that I did not look at the calendar to make sure what day it was before I started reporting to you. Again, the Water of Life Symposium is coming up September the 20th through the 22nd, 2019 at the Westgate Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. Sign up. It is very, very reasonable. You get to hug on people and share and just really commune from a place of complete acceptance and total welcoming and unconditional love. And it's one of those places where we seldom get a chance to go. And so come out and be with us. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.